Going to do a brief video on S&P 500 technical analysis, and we've got a daily chart of S&P 500 here in front of us with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. The S&P 500 closed up today 103 points. High was 39.24, low was 37.76. The S&P is essentially trying to beat its way out of a bear market, and it looks like it's doing a pretty good job of it. This chart is going to show, it's going to update here in a little bit. It's not updated right this second. It's going to show our high being right about here, and we're above a close above the 5-day, a close above the 20-day, but below the 200-day moving average. So we're still in a bear market on the S&P 500, but the fact remains it is making higher bottoms and higher highs. Made a new high today. And so it's headed towards the 200-day moving average. What I expect is going to happen next week is, I'm putting this out Friday night, but this is for the 31st of October, Monday. What I suspect is going to happen next week is this market's going to sell off a little bit, probably about down to 38, probably in the 38.20 range roughly. And then what we're looking for is more support coming in, driving this price up higher, but without it getting overbought. If the S&P gets overbought like it did right here, then you can see you can expect a crash. But that hasn't happened before. This is tremendously, this is very strong buying. It's beginning to get a hair overbought, but not like this. This is clearly overbought. This is arguably overbought. But in general, I think that it's probably going to work its way back around to this level here, this 38.15 level right around here, and then continue on up, assuming it gets some support. But right now, it looks like that's what's going to do. It's all my opinion for entertainment purposes only, but that's what I think is most likely going to happen next week. We're going to get some support, come down here in a little bit in the 38 to 38.20 range, and then probably towards the latter part of the week, maybe rally up a little higher. Let's go and take a look and see what RBM Research says about it. We have two different things for Monday. We have the 30-day trend following right here, shows flat. And that's because this is a modified moving average system, and the moving averages have not yet caught up. But I wouldn't argue with it. If it says flat, it says flat because it's usually right, and I just stay out of it. It's algorithmically generated. It's for Monday, the 31st, so I do not argue with it. Let's go down and take a look at the non-trend following algorithmic entry prices for Monday, the 31st, and we've got showing some shorts here, just consistent with my analysis. This market is probably going to sell off a little bit. It's looking for shorts at 39.18, which is a little bit below the high of today. So it's got, it never does have shorts for the one-day hold. It has buys across the board, but when there are buys there, but it never has a short for the one-day hold. The short start of the 2-day hold, 5, 10, and 20-day hold pairs. These are trading day holding pairs. And for Monday the 31st, it's got shorting at 2-day hold 39.18, and then all the way across until you get to the 20-day 39.04. So that's what we've got for you for Monday the 31st. You can get access to all of these at rbamresearch.com. No cost, no credit card required. Just follow the link to the description below, and put your email address in over there at rbamresearch.com and get immediate access to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, S&P 500 that I just showed you, and all the other most liquid futures contracts, crude, gold, and bonds. All updated before 7 a.m., but if you go in early, they're usually updated by 6 p.m. the night before, everything except crypto, which is 8 p.m. It's usually updated after 6 p.m. and after 8 p.m. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. You can only use our entry prices and commentary for entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, please leave it in the comment section below.